Let's quickly go through the 15 best mobile tax apps to organize and file taxes for individual and businesses. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. And if you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I want to talk to you about the 15 best mobile tax application to organize and file taxes. But before we get into the nitty-gritty here, please, folks, pay attention to this short element about our evaluation approach, how we rank, how we organize, how we test, how we evaluate all the tax software tools and applications we're talking to you in this show and other shows. Check this out. Number 15, I donated it. And this is we have given a score of 6.5 over 10 to this app. It's only available on iOS, so charitable donations are tax deductible expenses that can ultimately lower your tax bill. So tracking your donations throughout the year can be a hassle, but apps like I Donated It are there to help you. So this 2.99 app streamlines the process by helping you document your donations quickly and easily. So whenever you donate a non-cash item to charity, for example, you can use the app to track the donation date, the charity you donated the item to, and the fair market value of the item. So by tax day, you'll have a complete and permanent record of donated items that meet IRS compliance requirements. You can also, which is something that's very good, you can also attach photos of donated items and email the detailed donation report to yourself or an accountant. Next, we have a Hurdle expense and mileage tracker, and this is available on both iOS and Android. And the score here, 14 over 10. Hurdle is one of the most popular apps for entrepreneurs and small business owners that has an accounting and tax component. So the app helps track your business profit and tax estimate throughout the year by automatically linking with your bank to import earnings and deductible expenses. Hurdle also include an easy-to-use automatic mileage tracker to capture valuable mileage deductions in real time. So when you're ready to file taxes, guess what? You just have to generate a spreadsheet report from Hurdle containing all of your organized financial data. Rather than spending countless hours at the end of the year sorting through receipts, Hurdles also offers a live one-on-one chat support during normal business hours. Number 13, MrAll, and this is available on both iOS and Android. We have rated the service 7 over 10. This is actually a social platform that will help users save time and money as they get ready to file their taxes. So the app allows you to easily organize documents, notes, and important resources and websites into what they call topic branches. So information is then curated by the user. So by keeping up with your branch year-round with receipts and other forms, you will be fully prepared when tax time comes, right? In addition, one thing we have found very wonderful with this MrAll app is that you can have the option of keeping the branch private and allow your accountant to have access to it as an editor. Number 12, MileIQ mobile app. We have scored this app 7 over 10. So whether you're traveling for business, medical, or charitable purposes, it can be sometimes hard to remember to write down your mileage, right? So that's where the MileIQ app comes in. They come in super handy. so you can track your mileage quickly and easily with automatic tracking and a record of past trips. So this info can be generated into Excel compatible email reports for expense purposes, or you can even download it from the web application for reporting. And what we like is that you can also classify your trips as personal or business related and mark these expenses as paid or unpaid as you received reimbursement. The MileIQ app is available for $5.99 per month for all users, but you can also try it for free for up to 40 drives. Number 11, Evernote. Evernote for iOS and Android. Score 7.5 over 10. Now, Evernote is more than just your run-of-the-mill note-taking tool. It also offers a way to manage the documents you'll need to file your taxes. So because Evernote lets you easily store and organize images, you can scan in your receipts and then trash them. And since the app can read printed text, it's very easy to search for a specific receipt. So to get your receipt into Evernote, there are two options. So you have the 419 Scan Snap scanner. This is a pricier option, but it is made by the Evernote developer, so it will directly scan high quality images and automatically upload them into your Evernote account. For a cheaper option, there is what they call the doc scanner, and this is the app for iOS and Android, which you can use to scan in receipts by snapping a photo with your smartphone or tablet. Number 10, TaxCaster by TurboTax. This is a service by TurboTax and is available on both iOS and Android phones, and we have rated this service 7.5 over 10. This income tax calculator by Intuit allows you to accurately forecast your federal income taxes before you file to see how much you may get back or how much you may owe, right? All you have to do, folks, you just have to enter the basic information about your lifestyle and business, and TaxCaster will make the estimations based on that information. Since this is an Intuit product, the app uses the same tax calculator you will find in the desktop version of TurboTax to provide the estimate. So it can also recommend a product to help you complete the filing process. Number 9, Credit Karma Tax. We have given this service a 7.5 over 10 score. Now, Credit Karma Tax is built into the Credit Karma app, which helps you keep an eye on your credit profile. So the tax portion allows you to always file your federal and state taxes for free, no matter your situation. You can import your previous year's return with Credit Karma, H&R Block, TurboTax, or TaxAct. You can upload a picture of your W-2 to begin automatically filling out your tax forms, and you can track credits, deductions, and refunds in a customized checklist. Number 8, we have the GoDaddy Bookkeeping app. This is kind of cool app too, and we have given this a score of 8 over 10. Now, GoDaddy Bookkeeping has been a godsend for many freelancers out there, self-employed and small business owners, right? Because what it does is that it organizes all of your business finances in one place, links up any account from eBay, PayPal, credit cards, bank accounts, Amazon, Etsy, you name it. And what it does is it tracks what you're making, spending, and who's buying from you. So GoDaddy Bookkeeping, formerly known as Outright, gives you constant access to your profit and loss information, automatically calculates your quarterly tax payments, and pre-populates, this is fantastic, pre-populates your Schedule C information. And this will give you more time to work on the important stuff like, let's say, growing your business, building relationships with clients, marketing your business, going on social media, answering people's questions. So GoDaddy is a free download and available for iPhone and Android. However, one thing you need to be aware is that they have the free version, but they also have a premium version. And the premium version of the desktop software costs $120 per year. Now, the premium version, of course, comes with a constellation of features that will help you if your goal is to go a little further in the tax filing situation, in the tax filing process, or if your tax situation is kind of complex. I'll be right back right after this. Go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are also having a conversation here about the 15 best mobile tax apps to organize and file taxes. And number 7, QuickBooks Self-Employed app. And we have scored this app 8 over 10. The QuickBooks Self-Employed app is specifically for freelancers and small business owners who have multiple income sources from clients and customers. So your tax return is likely pretty complicated with different income streams and lots of business expenses. So the good news is that the QuickBooks Self-Employed app makes it super easy to just snap a picture of your business receipts so you can export those calculations, those tax deductions at the end of the year. The app is available for free for both iPhone and Android devices, but you'll need to pay $5 per month to use the QuickBooks Self-Employed online software. Number 6, we have TaxSlayer. Now, TaxSlayer, we have scored this app 8.5 over 10. TaxSlayer, available for iOS and Android devices, will help you estimate your taxes early on so you can start budgeting for tax time. You don't have to wait until April 15 to start, April 14 or April 10 to start budgeting. No. With TaxSlayer, what you get is you get an estimate of your taxes by entering your W-2 or just a copy of your paycheck. Which means what? It means that you can get started on your taxes early, long before you have all the forms you need to actually file. So TaxSlayer will use that information to gauge how much you owe or how much you will be owed when you file your taxes. And if you find out that you have a big tax bill coming, you can start saving early. And TaxSlayer also, what they do is they offer 5 different flavors of their software. And you have TaxSlayer Simply Free, does not cost anything to use. But if you need to file a Form 1040 Easy, if you just need that, then you have a simple tax situation, you can use TaxSlayer Simply Free. Military personnel are eligible for a 50% discount on the version of the software that they need. But if your tax situation is a little complicated, then you have to go above, you have to upgrade, and you have to have a premier or a premium version of the app to be able to tap into the additional features. Number 5, we have Freshbooks Cloud Accounting app. This is a great app that we have tested. We love it. This is on the list because they have a wide range of ways the app can help online businesses and freelancers, actually. So if you're still keeping receipts in a shoebox or handling clients if you're handling client information with a spreadsheet, it's time to get with the program, right? FreshBooks will allow you to simply take a picture of your receipts, create invoices, and follow up on payments right from the app. In addition to that, you can print month-end reports and review financial income, expenses, and more. This is why we have scored this app 9 over 10. You can even give your accountant a separate login with restricted access so they can get all the info they need. You can easily sync your FreshBooks account to popular applications and tools including Stripe, MileIQ, and PayPal. In addition, this app is free to download for iPhone and Android users as long as you have a FreshBooks account. Number 4, the IRS To Go, available on iOS and Android devices. And we have scored this company 9 over 10. The official mobile app of the IRS is great for new business owners who want verified and expert tax advice right from the source. So IRS To Go is actually a product and app by the United States government, by the Internal Revenue Agency, the Internal Revenue Service, the IRS. Right? So with IRS To Go, you can check the status of your federal income tax refund, make a payment on any taxes that you end up owing, and get free tax preparation assistance from an IRS volunteer income tax assistant in your area. This is the famous VITA program, the Volunteer Income Tax Assistant. With the app, the IRS To Go app, you can also request tax return information and account transcripts through the app. The IRS To Go mobile tax app allows you to interact with the IRS directly via your mobile phone. The thing here is that, listen, you don't have to be scared because the IRS isn't really that bad. You can even get in-person tax help from a qualified person in your area. This app gives you access to daily tax tips in plain English, nothing convoluted, nothing complicated, and information on the newest tax legislation as it's released. And you can securely check the status of your refund or request a copy of your tax return and or account transcript. And the great thing here is that Iris to Go is available free for both iPhone and Android devices. Number 3, TaxAct Express, which is available on iOS and Android. We have scored this app 9.5 over 10, and for a good reason. TaxAct Express rolled out its enhanced mobile app to further simplify the tax filing process for its customers. So the app, which is also available on tablets, personalizes and streamlines the process of completing and filing tax returns. So the app's built-in W-2 capture functionality makes it easy to import tax information into your return. In addition, they have it's pretty cool. They use 3D touch technology within the TaxAct Express that allows customers to find answers to questions they may have. Let me give you an example. Customers who do not know how to identify dependents can tap dependents to get guidance. That's pretty cool, right? And TaxAct Express is the mobile tax filing solution from TaxAct. So it covers a wide variety of tax solutions and is downloadable on any iOS or Android device. All right. And one thing I also want to say is that you can also file, the app will let you file standard W-2 wages, receive dependent credits, education credits, savers credits, and earned income credits. You can also file more complicated forms like 1099 DIV and 1099 INT for dividend and interest income. If you have, let's say, if you have a simpler return, you can file for free. But even if you have a complicated situation, TaxAct Express is very cheap. So if it's most expensive plan right now, the most expensive plan of TaxAct is right around $50, beating out the prices of TurboTax and H&R Block. So if you're not really sure what version of TaxAct is right for you, you can start filing for free. So once you've reached the level, you've reached a crucial point in the process, you will see the system, the app will tell you to upgrade, right? So once you have decided you like the software and know which version you should purchase, you can purchase it. All right. There is no obligation to purchase once you have started, and TaxAct also offers a 100,000 accuracy guarantee. So if an error in the software causes you to receive a smaller refund or owe money to the IRS, TaxAct will reimburse you up to $100,000. Number 2, folks, we're talking here about the best mobile tax applications to organize and file taxes. Number 2, TurboTax, and we have scored this app 9.5 over 10, and TurboTax is available both for iOS and Android phones. What we like here is that Intuit TurboTax walks you through the process of filing your taxes. So you snap a photo of your tax document, and the app coaches you through every step of the filing process, double checking to ensure you have entered all information correctly. You can be connected with an expert live and on screen if you need to get answers as soon as you need them. And when you input all of your info, it is saved with secure encryption and always password protected. TurboTax also checks for deductions and credits, and once your return arrives, it gets stored in the TurboTax cloud. So one thing you have to understand, the app is free to download, but there are costs for federal and state filing. So if you have a relatively simple tax returns but your time is limited, the TurboTax mobile app is a great option because it allows you to file your return on the go in about 10 minutes. The TurboTax app is a great fit for individuals and self-employed freelancers alike. So you can take pictures of your tax forms and upload them right into the app. Plus, you'll have access to a qualified tax professional right at your fingertips, so you can get answers to any questions. The app is available for free for both iPhone and Android devices, but the actual electronic filing of your federal and state returns starts at $39.99. One thing I want to say here is that you have a lot of features, a lot of benefits to the TurboTax mobile app. You can try it for free. You pay when you file. That's the feature that we love a lot. They have Quickbooks Self-Employed offer with TurboTax Self-Employed and TurboTax Live Self-Employed. They have a Quickbooks Self-Employed offer with freelancers. They also have the fact that you can get the fastest refund possible. You can pay for TurboTax out of your federal refund. They have TurboTax help and support. They have tax advice, expert review, and TurboTax Live. One thing we love when we were searching for we were actually investigating the software is that they have many features, from smart insights to My Docs features, tax return access, easy online amend. They have tips, and this is a complete app that you need to have if you want to have a more complete, comprehensive mobile app to organize and file taxes. All right, number one on our list, the best mobile tax application to organize and file taxes right now on the market is H&R Block Tax Prep and File, available on iOS and Android phones. And we gave this H&R Block Tax Prep and File app the perfect score of 10 over 10. This app conveniently lets you prepare and file your taxes anywhere. Just tap to upload your tax returns or take a photo of your W-2 and the app will import all the relevant information. And you can finish filing your tax return right from the app, or if you prefer, switch between a computer and tablet. If you need help at any time, H&R Block has tax experts readily available to assist. So this is the combo of digital and human help is what made us choose H&R Block as on our top list here. Whether you have a simple tax return or something more complicated, you can use the H&R Block tax preparation app to get started filing your self-employed taxes and state return for free. So once you decided on the complexity of your tax return, you'll pay anywhere from $34 to $75 to electronically file it. So they have something called Smart Import. That's a wonderful feature that allows you to take a picture of your W-2s or 1099 miscellaneous for instant import of all your income. In addition, the H&R Block mobile tax app automatically reviews your return for errors and omissions, and the maximum refund is guaranteed. This app is available for both iPhones and Android devices and is free to download. One thing you have to remember here is that you are able to what we really like is the fact that you can get support from your H&R Block tax professional through secure messaging and video chat. Remember, H&R Block has nearly 11,000 brick and mortar offices throughout the world, and it's always great to either talk to somebody live or talk to them via live chat, or just have a conversation with them on the phone. And you can actually jumpstart your tax prep year-round by uploading receipts, donations, and tax-related items as you get them. That's what I was just telling you earlier about. All the apps we have reviewed in today's show are apps that help you not only file taxes but also organize the paperwork. All right, so this is it, folks. I want to quickly recap today's conversation here. All right, what are the 15 best mobile tax apps to organize and file taxes? Number 1, H&R Block Tax Prep and File, 10 over 10. Number 2, TurboTax, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, TaxAct Express, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, IRS to Go, 9 over 10. Number 5, FreshBooks Cloud Accounting App, 9 over 10. Number 6, TaxSlayer, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, QuickBooks Self-Employed App, 8 over 10. Number 9, GoDaddy Bookkeeping App, 8 over 10. Number 9, Credit Karma Tax 7.5 over 10. Number 10. TaxCaster by TurboTax 7.5 over 10. Number 11. Evernote 7.5 over 10. Number 12. MileIQ mobile app 7 over 10. Number 13. MrAll 7 over 10. Number 14. Hurdle expense and mileage tracker. That's a score of 7 over 10. And number 15. I donated it, and the score is 6.5 over 10. Just want to mention that all the apps that we mentioned today are available on iOS and Android devices, except I donated it, and this is the only app that is only available on iOS devices. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. But before then, remember, stay marvelous.